Oops, am I recording? Yeah, I am. Okay. In continuation of what I was saying before, I'm just setting up this microphone stand so that way y'all could see me better. Put my drill down and my screws so I don't drop nothing. Alright. Okay. Sorry you're seeing the top of my head right now. Okay. There we go. Just putting my microphone stand up so I can put my phone on the stand. You can see me and what I'm doing. Okie doke. Put this in here. Alright, so now that I got my board and everything, I'm gonna take my bolts and my nuts off my pole so that I can get that mounted first. So, just a little easier. There we go. This pole is pretty beat up, so I'm using it just for setting up my mount and everything, so I won't damage the one that I'm actually going to use. Luckily, because when I ordered the pole set up from Amazon, the T-top, or this pole here goes through, was damaged, so they sent me a new one so that I can keep the new one for free. So that's how I got an extra pole part that I will use for it once I get this done. When you're putting these wing nuts on, try and make sure they're on straight so you don't strip the lines, you know, the threads, whatever we call them. There we go. Oops. This one spun off. Gotta switch sides so I can get this. It seems I can get the things. I always put them back on here so that way I don't lose them. There we go. Now, first things first. Let's see if the measurement for this board was correct or not. That is a bit too long. A bit too long. Okay, way too long. Way too long. In that case, I'm going to need to get alright, let's see here. This is way too long. Way too long. I'm gonna have to cut it. I hear someone with a drill, with a saw over there. I may mark this thing and see if that person would be willing to cut it for me. Hopefully they will. But first, since I know this is too long, I may actually drill the. Let me see what the motor's gonna, where the motor's gonna be. This is why you gotta measure everything, everybody. We thought that we had this right, but it is not. So I'm gonna have to try and figure out how to get this thing cut. Let's see here. I guess I should do the I should do. Let's see here. Perhaps I should drill the drill holes for the main hole first. And that is what I will do. Actually, you know what? I'm guessing, just so you know, everybody. Where's this? Let's screw those dump thing on first. That way I can line up where I want the pole. And then I'll unscrew it all so I can get the board cut. Alright. So I got 3 screws here. I'm going to put this close enough, but far enough so that it'll be enough room. And then so I want to make sure that should be good enough for right about there. And I want to make sure I have the right type of Phillips screwdriver so I don't end up stripping the head of the screwdriver, or the screw in. Okay, I think that's this one right here, this very first one. Okay. Where will this one fit? Because this one's longer. Let's see here. I don't want to use one that's too short where I can't get the screw down far enough. Oh yeah, that one works. I'll use the screw bit instead. Slide that in there. I'll go the other way so I can tighten this. There we go. This thing's tightened down now. Let me make sure again. Measure. Make sure I got my thing in the right spot so I don't about there. Okay. All right. Now, let's carefully screw this one in so I don't mess it up or drop a screw. Which hopefully didn't go down or crack on the deck. There goes. Crooked. I got crooked. Straighter. Come on. There we go. There's one screw in. Get the second one in. There you go. And now I just need to get one more in. Find where it went. If I could just find where the screw went. Oh boy. Okay. I'm gonna end this and I will be right back once I find the screw. And it did just what I wanted. It's on there and it didn't come through the other side of the board, so hopefully I can find the screw quickly and get that in. And see if whoever's using that circular saw will help me. Find that. Where is it at? Where'd that screw go? Okay, everybody, I'll be right back.